Here are some Carrier air conditioners. This one is from 2014. It's a 4-ton. This one is the same. It's a 3.5-ton Carrier. One of these is running, and since it is not too warm, I don't know if it's running with a low ambient kit or if it is just running because this is a straight cool. Well, it might be in heating mode because I thought this was a straight cool unit, but that's cold air coming out. Let me check. It's from 2014. 17th week, and it is a 2.5-ton. Yeah, it's just a straight cool unit. Central cooling air conditioner. It's just a straight cool. I don't know what refrigerant it has. Please take a still of those. Alright, here are 3 more. And they do have Coke and Scroll compressors. Carrier. This one has 2 blades. This one has 3 blades. I think they're 13 SEER or 14 SEER. I don't know how many SEER they are. They're all from 2014. They're brand new. Anyways, I make sure none of them have the energy go. Oh, this one does. Yep, 14 SEER. That one does too. Yeah, they're 14 SEER. Anyways, over and out. This has been a 2014 Andrew B. Dish production.